Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and today I want to demonstrate the module which we have created in Odoo for integrating WhatsApp Business API directly with Odoo platform. So let's get started. So firstly, the feature which I want to demonstrate is the integration of direct sales from WhatsApp with Odoo sales module. So as you can see, this is a WhatsApp Business API number of a business, where the multiple products which they have is listed down over here. Now, in order for customer to place an order, they can directly select the orders from the catalog feature. They can add the products under cart and simply place the order. Now, this is a straightforward method of placing order from using WhatsApp Business API. Now, here is a small preview of the orders which the customer has selected. And once they check out, the customer will be given the option to select the delivery address. Now let's say I select something which I have previously ordered on. Now once the address selection is done, an automated payment link is also generated over here. Now the payment amount is exactly same as that of the cart value. So let me just quickly fill in the cart details. So once the payment has been successfully done, the user receives a confirmation on WhatsApp itself that your payment has been successfully done. Okay. So this is a straightforward method of placing an order. Now, once the order has been successfully placed and payment is done, an automated invoice is being sent to the customer's phone number on the same WhatsApp number. As you can see over here, I have a PDF file which is directly being sent from the Odoo module itself. The invoice is a default invoicing system which the Odoo uses. Okay. So how this automation of invoice sending is done when the sales order is created, we'll be seeing that now. So this is the Odoo module which we have developed. It's by name Go for WhatsApp. Now what exactly happens in this particular module is, firstly, all the templates which are already Meta approved and created under your account, all the templates are automatically synced over here itself. If you just open any of the template, you shall be able to see the data which it has along with the preview of it as well. Now, what exactly is the use of this WhatsApp templates? We'll be seeing that now. So here we have given a place where you can configure the different kind of triggers which you want to send to your customers. So let's say, for example, this is a trigger which has been set when a sales order is created. Now you can give a name for your own trigger and you can select the module. Like for example, in this particular case, I have selected the sales module. Now similarly, all the modules which are present under the Odoo are being listed down here. You can select any of the module which you want to set the trigger for. Here is an option that whether you want to send a PDF format of that particular file or you want to send a textual form. Like for example, if a quotation is sent, you want the quotation to be sent in a PDF format or the complete text of the quotation should be sent. You can configure according to your business need. And here are different states. Like when the quotation is in draft state, then you want to send it. When it is completed, then you want to send it. So these are different kind of states which are present. You can choose according to your business need. The next option is the trigger automatically. Like we saw, when we successfully placed an order from the Go for WhatsApp using WhatsApp Business API, an automated invoice was sent. Now the invoice was sent for a reason because this particular checkbox was ticked. So if this particular checkbox is ticked, the module automatically send the respective data on the client's number. Now the next step is what kind of message you want to send to your customers. So again, here all the templates which are already Meta approved, which I just showed you before, are listed down here. You can select the option from here itself. So next is the variables. Now the template can have different kind of variables as well. Here we have given the option that the variable should be replaced with what kind of data. Now here we have chosen as a display name from the sales order. Now the Odoo does provide you with different kind of parameters like display name, order date, sales amount, quotation amount. So what you can do is you can simply map the template variables with these variables of Odoo. So it will automatically get replaced. So this is kind of a different kind of triggers we can set from here. Now, this was the trigger point which we can set according to the business need. But that's not it. Let's say, for example, if I am on different module, let's say I currently am on sales module. Okay, if I open any of the sales order, I shall be able to see this kind of button, which is send on WhatsApp. Similarly to sales module, this can be on quotation, invoice, delivery orders, reporting system, any module which you have in your current Odoo system, this kind of button will be present over there. And what exactly this button do is, when you click on this particular button, the Odoo module automatically send the respective file on the customer's registered mobile number. Like for example, you can see in this particular case, on the same mobile number from which the order was placed, a new message has been received which contains the sales order file along with a certain message. Now this message was sent according to the configuration which we just saw previously screen. So similarly, you can set different kind of trigger points which can be sent manually or automatically according to the business needs. So additionally, apart from this, what we offer is a complete communication channel. So here we have given a communication window. So whatever new messages you are getting from your own customers on your WhatsApp Business API numbers, that will directly be showing up in the conversation window. So let's say, for example, if I message on this particular number, so you can see as soon as I've sent the number message, automatically the conversation has begun. So I'll just write up go for WhatsApp. So Odoo integration. Okay. So the messages can also be shown over here itself. In case if I want to reply to customers, it will directly be coming over here as well. So as you can see, the real-time communication is happening directly over the conversation window from Odoo itself. Now let's say, for example, if any of the customers' conversation is not open. So what you have the option is you can directly go onto the conversation, click on the send WhatsApp template button, and here you can see again all the templates which are already meta approved for that particular account, and you can start the communication directly by sending the template itself. So the respective person will receive the template again and they can start the conversation as soon as the customer replies on the message. So this was all about the integration of Go for WhatsApp with Odoo. And we do work on any kind of customization which is required for your business. So please do reach out to us in case if you need any help with Odoo. Thank you so much. Have a great day.